Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where for some reason Snapchat, the application, is missing some buttons. So maybe there's like a For You button that's missing or some other random buttons across the board that might not be showing up properly. Now, keep in mind, sometimes Snapchat can just have some really random like issues that might just pop up. So, what I'd pretty much recommend doing here is to go through and to try to restart your Snapchat application. This can be one of the easiest ways to go ahead and fix this problem. So, what I'd recommend doing here is to go through and swipe out of the Snapchat application, give it a few moments, and go ahead and reopen the Snapchat application. And that is going to be one of the things I'd recommend doing here. So, try to go through, try to restart that Snapchat app. And I think that right there is going to be one of the easy things to do there. So, try doing that. If that's not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to try updating the Snapchat application. So go inside of your app store just like this. Go ahead and tap onto the Snapchat app, or find the Snapchat app under the search bar like this. And you want to go through and try updating the Snapchat application. So tap onto the update button right there, and you want to go ahead and just see if you can update the application. Most of the time, if you just update it, that can probably end up fixing the problem, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation. So try updating the Snapchat application. If that's still not working, you can also try going through and try logging in and logging out of your Snapchat app. So try jumping into your Snapchat application like this, try logging in and logging out, and that's another really easy way to go ahead and fix this problem as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.